Lesson 8.2 was on page 90 in your practice books. Adjective and adverb phrases. A phrase, that's a group of words. Okay, more than one word. Okay, and that's if it's describing the noun, then it's an adjective phrase. If it's describing the verb, telling you how that action is done, then it's an adverb phrase. Um, we've been working specifically with prepositions, so prepositional phrases functioning in those two areas. Let's take a look at the first section there. You were to write prep for prepositional, part for participial, or INF for infinitive. Okay. And then you had to write ADV for adverb or ADJ for adjective. So the first one, Weston remarked that he had never traveled on a train. All right, on a train is a prepositional phrase, and that's telling you where that action is done. So you should have prep and ADV. All right, for number two, telling a happy story, the speaker laughed. All right, that's participial because it's past or present participle. That ing, that's your clue. If you remember back in January and February, we worked specifically on those. So that's participial and adjective. Okay, number three should have been prep and adjective. Number four should have been prep and adjective. All right, number five, people came to see the movie star. Starts with to. Even though to is a preposition, in this case, it works as an infinitive. To see the movie star. It's not definitive. If it, like to the store, that's definitive. But to see the movie star, well, which one? Brad Pitt or Gloria Estefan or whoever it is. Okay, so that's infinitive and that's adverb. Number six should have been participial and adjective. Number seven should have been preposition and adverb. Number eight, infinitive and adjective. Number nine, participial and adjective. And number 10, preposition and adverb. Okay, any of those that you get a little confused on, jot down a little note, shoot me an email, or request a little Zoom meeting, and we'll be glad to go over that. The second section there, you had to underline the adjective phrase once and the adverb phrase twice, and then determine whether it's preposition, participial, or infinitive. Okay, so for number 11, you should have underline over tall wood structures just once, and that's a preposition. All right, number 12, underline twice during the 17th and 18th centuries, and that is also a preposition. Number 13, underline only once, to build them. And because it starts with the word to, we're going to call that infinitive. All right, number 14, underline only once, rising as high as 80 feet in the air. And that is participial, ends in ing, that's your clue. Number 15, underline twice, down the ice mountains on sled. And that's prepositional. Number 16, underline only once, in other parts of Europe. That is preposition. Number 17, underline only once, using sleds on wheels. That is participial, using, ing. Okay, number 18, underline only once, of rail system. And that's a preposition. Number 19, underline twice, on January 20th, 1885. And that's a preposition. Number 20, underline twice, in elevation. And that is a preposition. 21, underline only once, flipping the writer upside down. And ends in ing, so that makes it participial. 22, underline twice, in amusement parks, and that's preposition. And then the last one, underlined twice, to thrill excited fans. It starts with the word to, so that makes it infinitive.